guys, Z here. Today is my voice reveal. Um, yeah, hard to say all this. It's a little hard because I've never done a voice reveal before, and this is my first voice reveal video with my voice in it. Um, yeah, so if y'all wanna suggest on what games me and the squad, aka the Quiet Cuties, shall play, let me know down in the comments below. I just want to reveal my voice. And, yeah. Anyways. So, make sure to hit that like button. Maybe even subscribe and hit that notification bell. And, yeah. I might use my voice every now and then for my channel. Sometimes I might do videos without my voice. But if y'all want me to, let me know down in the comments if y'all want me to do videos with my voice, or if y'all are fine with me doing both voice and no voice videos. So, yeah. That's all for now. Bye!